Hello children, welcome again to another class of English language. Today children we are continuing with the revision chapter and we will be discussing question number 15. In question number 15 we are going to learn about the use of has stopped and have stopped. So first of all children, let us understand where do we use the word has. So has is used when your subject is he, she, it or any other singular noun. For example, Ram, the dog, the girl, the sky. So these are all singular nouns. Now where do we use have? We use have when your sentence or your subject is you, we, they, I or any other plural noun. For example, I have taken Ram and Sita, the girls and the boys, the cats and dogs. So these are all plural nouns or subjects. Now children, let us have a look as to how we are going to do these sentences. Now the first sentence is the baby is not crying now. What do we mean by the word now? Now means abhi, at the moment, at the very moment. Now is not crying. That means the baby has stopped crying. Okay, at present the baby is not crying. So how do we rewrite our sentence? I have already told you that if we have a singular noun, we will be writing our answer using has. So the baby, now what do we do? The baby, first of all we need to write has, but while writing the answer, what are the words that we need to remove? So number one is, then not. So the baby has, instead of using is not, we will be using has stopped. That means the baby is no longer crying, and we will be removing another word, that is now. Now, because now means right now. Now we have the second sentence, Sita is not studying now. Again, while writing the answer or rewriting it, we will be removing certain words, that is not and now, because now talks about the present time. So what are we going to write? Since Sita is a singular subject, we will be writing Sita has. Now I have told you already that instead of is not, we are going to write has stopped. Now what has she stopped doing? She has stopped studying. That means at present she is doing something else. Next we have the dogs are not barking now. If you have a look at the subject, this is in the plural form. So we will not be using has, but instead of that we will be using have. What are the words that we are going to remove? Are, not and now. So how are we going to rewrite our answer? The dogs. Now since the subject is plural, we will use have. The dogs have. What have they stopped doing? They have stopped barking. That means at present they are not barking, maybe they are doing something else. Next, it is not raining now. That means it has stopped raining, the sun is shining, it's bright again. So what are the words that we are going to remove? Is, not and now. Since we are talking about it and it is in the singular form, the answer will begin with it has stopped raining. Okay, now let's see the next one. The boys and girls are not playing now. If you have a look at the subject over here is a group of words. Okay, and it's in the plural form. So instead of using has, what are we going to use? We are going to use have. And what are the words that we are going to remove? Are, not and now. So what's my answer going to be? The boys and girls have. What have they stopped doing? They have stopped playing. Now let us have a look at the last sentence. Prem is not studying now. So since the subject is in the singular form, we will be using has. And what are the words to be removed? Is not now. That means he is doing something else now. He may be playing cricket. So let us write the answer. Prem has stopped studying. So you saw, children, how we wrote our answers using the word has stopped and have stopped. So let us once again revise where we are going to use has. We will be using has if our subject is he, she, it or any other singular noun. I have written Ram over here. Next, we will be using have if your subject is you, we, they, I or any other plural subject. For example, I have written Ram and Sita. So I hope, children, you have understood how to rewrite your answers using has stopped or have stopped. Thank you.